You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the SNR ABS sensor used in the video through the link in the description. Typical symptoms of a faulty ABS sensor are the appearance of ABS, ESP warning lights on the dashboard, and after a fault search, the diagnosis will indicate a problem with the front wheel speed sensor. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. Loosen the stud bolts on the driver's side wheel. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, racing your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. Lift the front of the vehicle. Place the vehicle on axle stands. To replace the front ABS sensor, you must lift the front of your car and remove the wheels to gain full access. You can now remove the wheel. Don't forget to slide the wheel under the vehicle. Turn the disc inwards. This will facilitate the process. This will allow you to see the ABS sensor. Using a flathead screwdriver, lift the tab of the ABS sensor connector and remove it. Using a socket wrench, an extender and a 5mm Allen socket, unscrew the ABS sensor retaining screw. The ABS sensor is very often seized up in its location. Don't hesitate to spray it with degreaser to facilitate its removal. Then, using a flathead screwdriver, try to loosen it by wiggling it back and forth. Unfortunately, it's very common for the sensor to break in its housing. If this happens, we recommend watching the video, change the front axle bearing Audi A3 too, which will give you access to the broken part of the sensor and allow you to remove it easily and in a clean manner.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
Before installing the new sensor, we recommend that you clean the sensor area thoroughly using fine sandpaper and compressed air. You will find the SNR ABS sensor used in the video through the link in the description. Get the new ABS sensor, insert it into its housing, then screw it back in. Do not hesitate to spray contact cleaner, then reconnect the sensor. Next, put the wheel back on your vehicle and set it down on the ground. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.